1929 Buick Series 121 Business Coupe. Offered without reserve, this is the second rarest
She's
Series
sweet.
121 body style. The year of Buick's much
22.5. Wow.
Previously restored to a high standard in two-tone red and black over tan cloth interior. It is a wonderful example of a 121 Business Coupe, lot 138.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What a beautiful Buick.
$15,000. Who'll do it?
What a
$15,000.
beautiful Buick.
$15,000. 10,000, they give 15,000.
Good morning.
15 to you, now 20. 15, asking 20. Bids in the room now, 15, asking 20. 15, and now 20,000. How about 17.5? 17.5. Now
Oh my
20,000.
gosh, they want to make them work.
20,000 now. We're at 17.5, and now $20,000. At 17.5, and now $20,000. ET, thank you, 19,000 now.
I don't know why it's going out of focus.
$19,000. We're at 18, 19, now 20. Now 20,000. $20,000. We're at 19, and now 20. $20,000. We're at 19 on the internet, and now $20,000. Anyone want to be 19.5?
My gosh.
Featuring a 239 cubic inch
19.5,
inline-six
folks.
engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, and is equipped with a plethora of options like cowl lights, sun visor, windshield wipers, and rear-mounted spare.
At 19.5 in the room now, $20,000. 19.5, 20, now 21. 21,000. We're at 20, asking $21,000. $21,000. Roger gave a bid there at $21,000. $21,000. The bids are at $21,000. We're at 20,000, asking $21,000 going once. $21,000 going twice. Last chance at $21,000. Sold online at $20,000.
Oh my gosh, what a buy.
At $20,000.
That's an excellent buy.
Up next, lot 138. This is the 1929 Cadillac V8 convertible.